Hello everyone, it's Andrew Wine here, sports physiotherapist and owner of Freestyle Feet. And this video is how to use our silicone massage ball on the foot. Now this specially designed silicone rubber ball is made with medical grade silicone and a hard core. And it's got a little grippy surface on it, which is really important for specifically the foot. And that's what we use it for. Whilst you can use it in other parts of the body, and it's commonly used in sore spots around the back, the neck, the lower back, and the gluteal muscles, specifically for the foot, which I have here, we want to use it in the soft tissues, the muscles underneath the arch area. So really importantly, roll the foot over the ball like so in a forwards and back motion, and we stop just short of the balls of the feet here. And we don't want to go right over the top of those because there's not much padding there and the tendons tend to get a little bit squashed there. So we want to stay in the middle part. And when we go back, we stop before we get to the heel bone. And this is a common area of soreness, plantar fasciitis, this type of complaint. So we don't really want to push the ball right onto the sore spot. So again, rolling underneath the arch, and we start off doing this in a seated position, and then we can progress to standing, backwards and forwards, and of course side to side. So that'll loosen up the muscles underneath the arch here. Stay clear of the bony bits at the front, the balls of the feet, and also at the heel bone, and just work in the middle. A few minutes each day, or as prescribed by your healthcare professional, will make the world of difference to the muscles underneath the arch that often get tight and sore and contribute to all sorts of foot issues, and also the fascia, the connective tissue that runs underneath our foot and stabilizes it. So there you have it. Use the Freestyle Feet silicone massage ball safely underneath your arch for much happier feet.